Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can monitor your analysis and see how it goes. For some persons, they are asking me, how can I know how many subscribers I have apart from seeing it on my YouTube channel on the YouTube app? And how can I know how many watch hours I've gotten so far, impression on my channel, engagement, and a lot more. So today I'll be showing you how to know that. Understand? So how you get to know your progress on YouTube is just by just downloading the YT Studio, that is the YouTube Studio app, which is this one up here. Just download it on your smartphone. Then once you download it, if you have it downloaded, if you don't have it, go to your Google browser, that is, your Google Play Store. Go to your Google Play Store and download it, be it on Android or on Apple. Just go and download it and click on it. Once you click on it, it will open straight to your channel. Understand? So right now we are in this channel. If you have a lot of channels, just click on this image up here and you can switch to other channels. Click on the image up there and you can switch to other channels. Now looking at it today, I want to show you how you monitor your analysis. So for that, you see this down below here. You see we have dashboard, content, analytics, comments, and playlist. So click on analytics down below. Look at it down below here. Click on it, then it's open up. Now looking at it here, you see views. We have views. We have watch time, and we have subscribers. Look at subscribers. So right now looking at it, I want to know how many views I've gotten so far in the lifetime since I created this channel 4 days ago. Let's see the views we have gotten. So right now you click on the top here, click on this arrow on the top here. So click on it and you click on lifetime. So you see we have gotten 160 views throughout since I created this channel till today. About 4 days ago or 5 days ago till today, we got 160 views. Okay, let's back it. So now let's check how many watch hours we have gotten so far. Watch hours, the watch hours. Click on it, then click on the top and click on lifetime. So looking at it, we have only let me just call it 5 hours. 4.9, that is 5 hours. We have 5 hours out of 4,000 watch hours. We have gotten 5. So how many you have gotten so far, it will be reflecting here. Once you hit the 4,000 watch hours, you see it here, and you can go to your desktop site. Understand, the desktop site, and monitor them. You can monitor everything there, and that is where you are going to get an email. You get an email in your Gmail account, in a Gmail app. Then you go to your desktop site and apply. Click on apply and apply. That is when you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now let's check on our subscribers. For lifetime, we have gotten 7 subscribers. You see, 7 subscribers is what we have gotten so far. So that is it. So this is where you come and check on the analytics on how your channel is growing. So however your channel have grown so far, here is where you're gonna see it. So if you want to check on reach, how many persons you have reached, understand, engagement, your audience, their age, their gender, this is where you do it. So click on reach. So you see impression we have gotten so far. Wow, we are trying. You see the impression we have gotten 776 impressions. Impression per click through rate, we got 5.3. Understand, we got 160 views. We got unique viewers 46. So you see we are trying, we are making it big. So that is it. So you see right here we are getting external source of views traffic. You see the external source of view traffic we are getting, it is trying. People are searching us through YouTube. People are searching us through YouTube and we are getting bigger. You see, this is where you should be looking at. Search through YouTube. If people are searching you through YouTube, that means your channel is not growing. So my search through YouTube is ranking 2 after external search. You see, then other features of search is ranking 3rd. Then page channel is not ranking much, it's just 5.6, but it's trying. For a new channel that is still 4 days old to rank all this, that means it's gonna be like, if I keep on moving this channel, it's gonna blow. Understand, for it to rank up this in just 4 to 5 days, that means it's doing well. So that is it. And also I used to get sources from WhatsApp. I used to get from WhatsApp, I used to get from Studio, I used to get from YouTube, and from Google search. So you see I'm ranking far. Wow. So you see it. Then these are top watch videos. You see it, these ones are top watch videos I get it, top watch videos and top search videos. So this is how the analytics will also, that is it. So let's go to engagements. So looking at it, we have gotten 4.8 watch hours, which is approximately 5. We have also gotten the average. Look at this now. This is average, like how long people watch your video. Understand? The last video that people have watched so far in just no less than 7 days, they watched it 1 minute 49 seconds. So this is how long people watch your video. So if they watch it 1 hour, it will show you here. So this is how long they watch your video. So let's go to audience. So looking at it here, return audience. This is a new channel, so they have not displayed all my analytics because it's still new. So they are going to load everything before 1 week to 2 weeks time. Everything will be working well. So look at my audience, look at unique viewers, subscribers I got, and they say that when your viewers are on YouTube, my viewers are on YouTube, look at the time that they are on YouTube. So they are on YouTube from this time here. Set your time, please. This time from let me call this around 1 to 2, and around that time they are online to watch videos on my channel. Okay, then look at your audience. You have 13 to 17 years, 18 to 24 years, 25 to 34 years, and 35 to 44 years. We have 45 to 54 years and 55 to 64 years. Then we have 65 plus. Now looking at it, out of all of them, it is only the people that watch my video, their age is from 18 to 24 years. So young youths, it's just like it's youths that are watching my videos. So you see it right here, and they are mainly male. So men are watching my videos. Okay, no issues. We are going to rank to that level. So looking at it here, geography, there is a geographical analysis. It's Nigeria is the highest that watch my video, and I don't have subtitling for my video, and also other video watched by audience those ones have not started coming up because my channel is still new, and all of them will start coming up very soon. So let's check on other countries that watch my video. If there's any other country, let's click on country and let's see. Okay, looking at it, lifetime, let's check lifetime. So it's only Nigeria that's watching my video right now. Wow, we're going to bomb it, don't worry, that's not an issue. So that is it. Let's go back. So that is it. Then other channels your audience watch. So if this channel gets ranked up, you start seeing other channels. Like if there's another channel that my audience do go watch, so that channel they watch will appear here. So that is it. So I think I've explained this to you. So you go back to your dashboard. This is your dashboard right here. So you see your videos here. You go to content. That's where you see all videos you have created. Look at all videos you have created so far. Then this is videos. This is for live stream, and this is for short. So let's check if I have any live stream. I've not gone live in the 4 days or 5 days I created the channel. See, they said here that, you see, look at it here. They say you don't have any video on live stream. Okay, so right now let's check on shorts. If we have any video on shorts, click on shorts. So we have shorts, and it have gotten 31 views in the past days. Okay, 31 views. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to comments and see our comments. We don't have any comments for now. Wow, boring. Let's check. We should have a comment. Why? This sad. Okay, we are believing on that. We are working on that. We'll get a comment very soon. So this is our playlist. Understand? This is a playlist. I have YouTube's course. I have YouTube course. I have WhatsApp course. I have Facebook course, LinkedIn course, Twitter course, and Instagram course. So these are courses I have on my playlist. So you can create playlists where your creators can just go in and watch videos. So if someone comes to my channel and the person does want to watch about YouTube, the person should click on YouTube course, which is this one. Sorry. The person will click on YouTube course, which is this one, and all the content here about YouTube. But if I want to create a video on how to create a YouTube page, a Facebook page, how to get your Facebook page monetized, I should be uploading it on Facebook course. So that is the reason for all these playlists. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Remain blessed.